Watching your investment slump today? The tables are turning, and I'm revealing the key tactics to send a coin soaring and stack serious profits. Let's be real here. Pump Fun isn't going to magically launch your meme coin. It's time to switch gears and chase real opportunities that actually move the needle. Fire up Photon and browse Pump Fun. It's a wasteland of failed projects. New coins like Duck and Oyster are already circling the drain. The platform's become a conveyor belt for useless tokens. Hardly the place to build anything with actual substance. Head over to Raydium's DEX and hold on to your seat. It's absolute madness right now. Just 2 fresh tokens hit the market in 4 minutes, and degens are scooping them up like crazy. Look at the liquidity. Absolutely nuts. Here's the truth. Succeeding on Raydium requires next-level strategy. Only the strongest projects survive here, attracting deep-pocketed whales and savvy investors. That's the Raydium advantage. Want to learn how to play in this league? Launchtool just rewrote the rules for Raydium overnight. No more coding headaches. Your dream meme coin goes from idea to live trading in under 5 minutes. I've personally banked profits with this exact method for 30 straight days without fail. First step, fire up Canva and create a 128 by 128 pixel canvas. I've been obsessed with soccer star Messi recently, so this token's gonna be all about him. A few tweaks here and there, boom, professional grade logo done in minutes. Logo done. Let's birth this meme coin. Fire up Launchtool and connect your wallet. This is the fun part. Christening your creation. Going with celebrating Messi for the name and Messi for the symbol. Description stays empty. It's optional anyway. Upload your fresh logo and continue. Don't touch the supply numbers. Presets are golden. Just keep going. Alpha leak. Skip creator info. Flip that switch off and lock in 0.1 Solana. Social media links won't move the needle on Raydium. Instant skip. Critical alert. That 0.3 Solana isn't an expense. It's your token's credibility insurance. Savvy investors instantly check for revoked permissions. If they spot disabled security features, your project is dead on arrival. These aren't options. They're requirements. Stop overthinking and hit Launch My Token now. And we're live. Sign that wallet prompt. Your creation just hit the Solana blockchain. Pro tip, sprint to SolScan this second to audit your token. Verify every detail before the crowd arrives. SolScan verified? Game time. Liquidity pool setup is where real players shine. Want to ghost this step? Enjoy your ghost chain. No liquidity means your token is just expensive blockchain graffiti nobody can trade. Go back to Launchtool and smash Create Liquidity Pool. You're heading straight to Raydium. Pick your meme coin as the base, paste your token address from Launchtool, then drop in the details. Messi for the symbol, and celebrating Messi for the name. Lock it in with Add User Token, and continue. Dump 900 million of your 1 billion supply into the pool like a boss. We're going all in. Pair it with Solana, click max and lower it a little bit to pay for the fees. Specifically 0.2 Solana. Getting rugged mid-transaction is not an option. You're the whale now. Slap on that 2% fee and start printing passive Solana. Triple check everything. Smash Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the wallet pop-up and mission accomplished. Your token's officially trading. Your token just scored prime real estate on Photon's leaderboard. As volume explodes and hype builds, most creators lose their edge. Not you. I'm arming you with elite chart tactics to dominate this rally, while others fade into irrelevance. First, open Deck Screener and select any coin, then navigate to Launchtool, snag your token address, and plug it into Deck Screener. Voila, your personal market monitor. Keep tabs on pool stats during processing. Expert reminder, check Raydium's portfolio balances in standard view. Occasionally need an extra refresh to appear. May take about 10 minutes. We've had some small buys and now made a good one for almost $76. We started with a good liquidity around $800, and the market cap is in the same ballpark, and we've achieved this in only 10 minutes. We have a couple of good buys for almost $15 and $35. Our liquidity is already at $946, and the market cap is at $932, and it has been only 3 more minutes. We have more small buys and a very good one of almost $70. Our liquidity and market cap are almost $1,000. It's a good time to go and remove our liquidity. Launch Raydium and flip to standard view. Your actual position appears here. Click the minus button, slam the slider to maximum, and confirm your liquidity pool stake. Monitor your Solana amount. That's your golden parachute. Complete the action, verify the wallet request, and watch your funds return home. The charts are going parabolic. Check your numbers and let it sink in. My bag 2x'd in under 60 minutes. The beautiful part? This playbook works for everybody. Stay locked in, keep executing, and stack those wins until you've built generational wealth. We've hit the jackpot, but the clock's ticking. This arbitrage play could rewrite your financial future overnight. Full disclosure, this is educational content only. Want life-changing gains? This strategy flips the game entirely. Move now before the window closes. Help grow our community with likes and shares.